All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Nissan Altima. It is the SL model, it's 3.5 liter. It's beautiful gray with black leather interior, premium sound system, stereo controls, backup camera, navigation system, sunroof, fog lights, 52,000 miles in this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage on that body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front. Doesn't seem to have a dent. No paint off here, about 2 inches. Your front driver's rim, very nice. And I'll see curbing here. And your tire thread is just under 730 seconds. Let me double check it. That's right, under 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread is under 730 seconds. That's your 5, but let me double check it. That's right, actually a little bit over 6. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. I'm sorry, no dings, dents, or anything up there. And of course, you do have a sunroof. Power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It's a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. Push start system. Turn on the lights. Obviously, you got your Navi system there preparing. You got your AC controls right down below. Dual AC controls. You do have heated seats. Does come with 1 key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Stereo controls on this side as well as this side. And here we go. Your Navi system, your backup camera, boom, super nice. Of course, you got some sensors there. This is, of course, what your instrument also looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Nope. And then you got your mileage of 52,998. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. Keep it moving. Open up the trunk. Your rear passenger seat, what that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Coming around, rear bumper looks pretty good. Your rear deck lid looks good. Here's your rear trunk space, and what that looks like, pretty big and spacious. We're calling this car frame. Does have some minor little dings down here. Boom. And I'm sure they're gonna call that frame. So I did tuck away your owner's manuals down here by your spare tire with some tools and such. This quarter looks okay. Does have a dent here, about 6 inches. No paint off there. All right. The front passenger rim, very nice. I don't see curbing. Tire thread. Just at the line in 730 seconds. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks fantastic. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. And again, a powered seat here. This fender looks pretty good. I do see a little dent there. About 2 inches, no paint off. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice. Does it have some curbing? Yeah, about 3 to 4 inches. And your tire thread here is under 730 seconds. Just above 4. All right, folks. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 2017 Nissan Altima. It is the 2017 Nissan Altima 3.5 SL model with 52,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Once again, happy bidding, folks. Thank you and happy bidding.